In 20th century Ireland, we managed to lock up 1% of our population by the 1950s. Mother and baby homes, Magdalene Laundries, psychiatric institutions, reformatory schools, orphanages, industrial schools. And so we locked up poor women and their children.
The aim of this project was to examine the history and legacy of Donnybrook Magdalene Laundry, and it was prompted by a video I saw on the internet, on YouTube, where someone had gained access to the former Magdalene Laundry, walked through the laundry for 40 minutes and filmed it.
We had a research question which was, could we tell the entire history of 20th century Magdalene Laundries by an in-depth focus on one institution?
The site, I suppose, revealed so many interesting pieces of information. We found a collection of financial ledgers on the site, which is very significant because the government's interdepartmental committee had found as a fact that the financial records of Donnybrook Magdalene Laundry, quote, do not survive, unquote. The Interdepartmental Committee reported that the Magdalene Laundries operated on a subsistence or break-even basis. Our research demonstrates that these institutions, Donnybrook specifically, was profitable.
The survivors constantly tell us that they want the history to be understood, that our younger generations will be better equipped to make sure that that kind of thing doesn't happen again. And ever since I first met Magdalene women, way back in kind of the 2000s, they were comparing the Magdalene institutions with direct provision centres, which were only at the time just barely starting. Those women were already worried about another population that we were locking up and ignoring.
There are a number of important impacts. One is the preservation of the contents in the laundry, the material culture, the machinery, and its transfer to the National Museum of Ireland. A second impact is the discovery of the financial records. A third impact is another repudiation of an aspect of the report of the Interdepartmental Committee, which found that there was no evidence that a contract for military laundry had been awarded to the Donnybrook Laundry. Our research shows that that contract was awarded and that it was withdrawn by the state because the nuns were not paying wages. The state was aware that the way in which Donnybrook and institutions like it was run was not acceptable.